guys, in this video I will show you how to download DuckDuckGo browser to Windows or on your computer. Before that, subscribe the channel, like and share the videos, guys. So all what you need to do, just open browser and then type DuckDuckGo, DuckDuckGo, and you will go from Windows. And then it's gonna be downloading here. You press it. You just start it up. If you want to be started up with Windows opening, it's gonna be like that. So you're gonna be wait for a bit of time. It's gonna be installing. I will come back after installation, guys. So guys, after downloading the phase and the installation phase of DuckDuckGo, you're gonna be having the browser here. It's like importing UI. So all what you need to do, which is the tracking of the things and why it is like favorite to Google Chrome. For example, I'm just gonna be skip, and here the importing bookmarks and the password. We can some adjustment and data to switch from browser to another browser. So I will skip this phase. All what you need to do, which is having a DuckDuckGo browser here, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.